Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. Okay guys, so I have another fake bake video for you. So if you've been following me, I'm sure you remember this little guy. Well, I think it is time for me to make him a little drum set. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to show you how easily and extremely quick it is to make a drum set. Now, in the video where I made a little nutcracker, I am going to link it to the description box down below. As well, I'm going to be leaving a list of all of the items that I'll be using in this video. So I did notice that when I started using the hot glue, it was creating like bubbles in there. So I just stopped, and instead I started using Gorilla Glue, and it's actually clear Gorilla Glues, and it did take a little bit longer to dry. So I just have to keep messing with it. So I just left it alone for a bit and let it completely dry before I continue adding the rest of it. So here's the tip: when you make your circle, when you trace it, you actually want to leave it about half of an inch bigger than the actual size, because when I cut my circle out, it was actually I would say about maybe half of an inch less, and you'll see the gap there, but that was fine with it because I do have glitter glue, and I just went ahead and just added it all the way around wherever there was the gap. So it really didn't bother me, but if it does, or if you feel that it is going to bother you, just make it an inch bigger all the way around, and then just trim off the excess. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the borders that is going to go around the back, and the ends are going to meet in the back of the drum set. So once I have that glued down, then I'm just going to put it to the side because I want it to completely dry before I start adding the strings to it. So now I'm going to be working on my drumsticks. I wanted to keep the ball white and just add the glitter to it. And the stick, obviously I'm using 2 straws that I just cut it in half, and then and that was it. So once my glue stick, not glue sticks, I'm sorry. Once the drum set sticks, well, they are done and drying, I am going to go back to my drum and add like a zigzag pattern to it. And the little strips, I went ahead and cut them. I think it were like a 1/4 inch wide, and then that should be all done. So once I am done with it, I'm actually going to let it sit and completely get dry before I add my nutcracker. And here it is all done. I like how it actually came out. I did not thought it was going to come out this cute. So here it is, my friends. Now he has somewhere to stand. And as well as you have noticed, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much again, guys, for stopping by. And until the next time, stay safe, be kind. Bye.